We about to go hunting.
Yep. I'm tired.
Weirdo. Alright, so it's gonna be a 6.5 hour drive out to the ranch. And got everything loaded up. And it's gonna be a good day. So let's go kill some deer. Oh, I'm taking the old annual trip down the hill to take a giant dump. But you gotta get away from them because they don't want to see your butt. There's something totally amazing about pooping in the middle of nowhere, on the side of a mountain. Right here looks good. Alright. We're home. Check that out. It's good to be back. Open land. Good stuff. So, excuse me, I'm gonna take a real dump real quick and then I'll get back to you guys. It's always interesting seeing your poop in the sunlight, but gotta take care of business before we go hunting. So, how this is gonna work is over the next couple days, we're gonna be out here. I'm gonna be doing probably a 3-part series. Part 1 was just me explaining it. Chest cam view now. We're gonna do some chest camming on the iPhone, and it's gonna be good. We're gonna shoot some deer. Not gonna be doing a lot of talking, of course, when we're hunting, but y'all will still get to see it. So stay tuned for a couple episodes, and let's kill some deer.
I might keep the axle off of it. And yes, I said axle.
Oh, jeez. His antlers aren't that big. He's got a big butt. He's got blue out his shoulder.
Got a bigger body than I thought.
Uh-huh.
Good luck. Good luck.
Ha ha ha. Wow. Oh, look at that.
It's a good buck.
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Don't get behind me, like get me close to.
I gotta go.
Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
You
Missed.
Alright.
Real good.
That's where she's looking.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Got you a 10. What are you doing, son? Like this. Oh, this long. Well, you can drive a truck there, but you're gonna scratch the shit out of it, going through all that weesatch and shit down in that lake bottom.
Yeah.
I'd rather go get a 4-wheeler. I don't want to scratch your truck all the shit.
Which one am I gonna actually get bullied?
This one.
One's mine.
Well, that's a good call, dear, because he ain't got no brow tires.
Yeah, so I was thinking on a brow tie, so.
Yeah. Good meat deer.
Yeah, it'll eat. I heard them shooting, doing a lot of shooting. Did they get something or?
Yeah.
We're gonna be here all night.
5 deer?
But we got the pit built. We'll cook sausage and drink beer,
Yeah,
and
plenty of beer, so.
you know
Wait, what are brow tines?
the spikes in the middle.
Oh.
Means they're older.
Oh my
More mature.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, we got
Well, no.
yeah, we got plenty.
So after the first night of hunting, I got a 10-pointer, pretty nice sized buck. Sam got an 8-pointer, pretty good sized buck. I didn't get
Mine
into
was
chest.
bigger.
I didn't get much chest cam footage or at all because I really didn't feel like bugging around town. I want to see how today goes. So tomorrow we're just gonna do some trophy hunt and try and clean up whatever we can, and I might do a chest cam then too. So we'll see, but I'm pretty happy about it. We shot a lot of nice deer. We have about 6 deer clean tonight, I think. So it's gonna be good. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 3, which will be coming out soon. Yeah, that'll be tomorrow's adventure. So see ya. Look at that, already sunset out here. The nights when it's clear, like tonight, you get to see the stars. You see shooting stars. You see satellites. You see all sorts of stuff because there's no city light. You know, it's just pure like this clean air. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Be sure to like and subscribe too because that's very important. Bye.